Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your boy, Ray Mack. I'm sorry I had to sit here in my car, man, and do this little intro right quick of letting you guys know what I'm about to do. Right now, I just came from Lowe's, man. I had to pick myself up a microwave. Microwave went bad. I got to hang this thing up. But here's the thing. We got some terrible weather outside. I wanted to go out and do some grilling, but I can't do no grilling because I got some barbecue sauce that I want to review. So I'm going to do something on the indoors, something inside, just to let you guys know how this barbecue sauce really tastes. If you can see this, the name of this barbecue sauce is called Bailey's barbecue sauce, right? And my man Scott over at TheRealShowBBQ, he is the creator of this here barbecue sauce. And I'm definitely going to give this a try just to see, how good this barbecue sauce is. And if it is, I'm going to let you guys know. You know what I'm saying? Give you my true and honest opinion on it. So what Scott here, what he put together was some Bailey's barbecue sauce, Eastern Carolina barbecue sauce. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm definitely going to leave a picture down there so you can see it. And then he has some of this here Bailey's barbecue sauce, sweet Memphis style barbecue sauce. All right. So today, the barbecue sauce of my choice, which I am going to do a review on for you guys today, will be the Eastern Carolina barbecue sauce. Now, I'm going to try this barbecue sauce out just to see exactly how the full flavor of this sauce really is. All right. So I want you guys to stay tuned, and we're about to get into the video now. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So what we're going to do for you guys right now is something special. I got these shrimp seasoned up with just salt and pepper only, but you could use whatever seasonings you like. I have green peppers, onions sliced, and as you can see, I have some chopped peppers, and I have some mild smoked sausage. So in this iron skillet, I'm putting in some butter, and I want to cook up these veggies, these green peppers, along with these onions. All right. So we're going to go ahead and just cook these up just a little bit. We don't want to fully cook them. We just want to go ahead and just cook them down just a little bit. Now I want to add in some of this here oregano, basil, and tomato spice blend. Like I said before in the previous video, I purchased this at Ross, and you can find it in their kitchen section. Now we're going to brown our smoked sausages. All right. And I also had a little bit more of these green peppers and stuff left, so I went on to add the rest to the pot and cooked it along with the sausages. All right, we just want to cook our shrimp for 2 minutes per side, and then after that, take them out the pot. Here, I want you to go ahead and add everything back to the skillet. I cleaned the skillet out, and I went and I added everything to the skillet. Now I'm going to take some of this here Bailey's barbecue sauce, Eastern North Carolina barbecue sauce, give it a good shake, and that's definitely sure enough real North Carolina style barbecue right there. All right, so I'm just going to pour just about a little bit in here, and like we say, I'm doing something new. I never tried this before with barbecue sauce, and I'm telling you something right now, man, at first I didn't think that this was going to work, but trust and believe me, the flavors and that Bailey's barbecue sauce was right on point. So I added in a little bit of butter, and from there, it was party time. I'm telling you guys, this barbecue sauce is amazing. even though I didn't put it on grilled food, I didn't have to. Basically, you could use barbecue sauce with any type of ingredients that you want to use it with. And I thought that this would be a good pairing between this dish and the barbecue sauce. One pot meals are the way to go. All right, I got me some pasta that I already prepared, and I thought that it would definitely go well with this here dish. I wanted to use some rice, but I gave it a little twist, so I used pasta, and I'm glad I did choose pasta for this dish. When I tell y'all something right now, man, this was definitely one of the best pasta dishes that I've ever made. I'm not sitting here exaggerating, trying to get you guys to go out and buy this here barbecue sauce. I'm being totally honest with you, giving you my honest opinion of how good this barbecue sauce is. Now, I do use George's barbecue sauce, and George's will always be my go-to sauce when it comes down to using North Carolina barbecue sauce, but I've never did this with George's. But I'm telling you something right now, this is definitely a game changer. Give this recipe a try. Also check out this here barbecue sauce, all right? And I'm telling you guys, you can't go wrong with Bailey's North Carolina style barbecue, all right? So check out TheRealShowBBQ over there at Scott. Tell him that Ray Mack sent you, and definitely hit him up and let him know. This is his email where you can contact him if you want to try this here barbecue sauce. Let him know that Ray Mack sent you over, okay? Peace. I really hope you guys enjoyed this here video. I want to say thank you so much to all of my new subscribers that just subscribed to my channel. I want to say welcome to the Ray Mack family. But for those of you who are watching and you are not a part of the Ray Mack family, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And I want to say love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Remember to leave a comment and give this video a huge thumbs up. I love you all. Peace.